Welcome to my course, Drawing Amazing Backgrounds with Perspective. Hi, my name is Robert Marzullo, and I've worked in comics, storyboards, and 3D animation for television. And over the years, I've had to create many different types of scenes and elements for backgrounds. So I want to share that knowledge with you. And one way to accomplish that is through the use of perspective. Do you find yourself avoiding drawing backgrounds within your art because it just seems too confusing or time-consuming? And if you do implement them into your work, do they appear flat and uninteresting? Then this course is designed for you. This is where you'll learn how to draw detailed scenes from your imagination with the power of perspective. You'll learn how to construct your scenes with 1, 2, and 3-point perspective that will make the drawing process much easier and give you the professional end result you're looking for. You'll also learn about thumbnail sketching, composition, avoiding distortion, sketching and refining the line work, freehand versus rulered lines within the work, and much more. This course is packed full of lessons that will take you from questioning how to draw detailed backgrounds to confidently using your imagination to create them. If you're not totally satisfied with this course, you have a full 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm confident you'll learn what you need to from these lessons. So let's get started right now, and please allow me to demystify the art of drawing backgrounds with perspective. Remember, I'm here if you have any questions to help as you work through this course, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Good luck with your art, and I'll talk to you soon.